Welcome to AWS SimiLearn, a learning experience that features an immersive customer meeting paired with hands-on solution building in the AWS console. Start by choosing either Open Dialog mode or Scripted mode. Open Dialog mode features dynamic chats powered by generative AI agents, while Scripted mode has a predefined customer conversation. In Open Dialog mode, you will chat with a generative AI-powered virtual customer to solve their business problem with an AWS solution. As you chat with the virtual customer, your responses will be evaluated by another generative AI agent in the bottom right panel, using several soft skills dimensions, like customer focus and technical knowledge. When you recommend the correct service during the meeting, it will be revealed in the architecture diagram at the top right. Your goal during the meeting is to recommend all of the correct services needed to build the solution. If you get stuck during the meeting, go to the bottom right panel and ask Dr. Newton, the AI chatbot, for help. Once you reveal all of the missing services in the architecture, you move to building it on the AWS console in the Solution Center. The Solution Center has three sections: Learn, Practice, and Do It Yourself, DIY. In the Learn section, you will review the architecture diagram and watch videos about the services. In the Practice section, launch an automatically provisioned AWS Console Lab environment in a separate browser tab, then use the image-based guided steps to build the first part of the solution. Follow each step carefully, and review the concepts on the left to get more insights. During solution building, never use your personal AWS account. If you need assistance as you build the solution, you can ask Dr. Newton for more help. Once you are done with the practice section, move to DIY to complete part 2 of the solution without guided instructions, then validate it to complete the solution.